Hey everyone, Nick Vialone here from Hounds Coffee. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect coffee with the clever coffee dripper. It actually uses this, for lack of a better word, clever spring system. I don't write my own jokes. First, get your filter. You're going to want to pre-wet it, get rid of those papery flavors. Next thing, you're going to pour it into your clever dripper. Then you're going to take your coffee, 2 tablespoons for every 6 ounces. We're using our rescue roast today. Next thing you're gonna do is take your water. For this, you're gonna allow it to steep for 2 minutes, and you're gonna give it a little bit of a stir. After it's done steeping, you're gonna take it off of your coaster and then just place it on top of your mug. You take it off the mug, locks the spring back into place, put it back in your coaster, set that off to the side, and enjoy. See, quick, easy, and still a great cup of coffee. Again, I'm Nick Vialone from Hounds Coffee. Remember, wake, brew, rescue, and repeat.